As winter begins, it's the perfect time to start a personal or business blog to share your passions, insights, and ideas with the world in the new year. Ready to dive in? Explore our What is Blogging guide to discover everything you need to get started and make your voice heard. Blogging is writing and sharing content online. People write about topics they care about, like hobbies, advice, or news. Blogs can be personal or for businesses, and they can help attract readers or even make money. What if you could earn money from blogging? Blogging can be a way to make income. With the right approach, you can make money through affiliate marketing, selling digital products, and more. There are many types of blogs you can start. From niche blogs to personal stories, and even affiliate blogs, there's room for everyone. Pick a topic you love, and build your blog around it. How do you get started? First, choose the right platform. Pick an easy-to-use platform with drag-and-drop features. Decide whether you want a self-hosted blog or a free one, depending on your goals. Free blogs are easy to start, while self-hosted blogs give you more control. With Seeker Host, you can get domain and hosting services, and also take blogging courses designed by ClickDo and Seeker Host experts to help you make the best choice. After setting up your blog, create helpful, high-quality content. Make your posts answer questions, solve problems, or entertain. The more value you offer, the more people will come back. After creating great content, focus on growing your audience. Understand what your readers want, engage with them, and build an email list to stay connected. Consistency will help you build a loyal following. Now comes the exciting part, making money. There are several ways to monetize your blog, including promoting digital products, affiliate marketing, and sponsored content. By promoting Christmas and winter seasonal products or services that match your audience's interests, you can start earning income from your blog. ClickDo offers valuable tips to help you earn money from blogging. Start by using analytics tools to track your blog's performance and share your content on social media to grow your traffic and audience. Also, focus on creating engaging posts with media to make your blog stand out. You can even add a blog to your existing website to expand your reach and boost your online presence. If you're ready to start, ClickDo supports bloggers with SEO, marketing, site setup, content monetization, podcasting, and writing interviews. Visit the ClickDo website to discover how to earn money from home this winter holiday, grow your brand, and start your blogging journey today. Make 2025 the year your blog works for you.